I'm going to do a quick demonstration about using both on the Fermonster, which I think is the most complicated case, if you want to call it that way. So we have the Monster strainer on the Fermonster. Let's say you're going to put something into this one, but you want to also use this one. You want to have two infusions going at the same time, and you may want to handle them separately. That's the beauty of having them both. So you install this one on the Fermonster and you put this one on the O-ring. I put it before. Do not forget to have the gasket on the lid. So first you fill up the mini strainer and then you fill up this one after. You can fill it up using our hydrometer jar. It fits, one option. You can use the funnels if you want to use the funnel, or you can use it by hand. It depends on what you want. I have different options here. I have American oak granular, American oak chips, I have oak pellets, and I have this one. I'm going to do a demonstration with this French. This is the one I'm going to use on the mini strainer. So fill it up as you wish, and then, because if you fill it up the Monster strainer first, there won't be room for the other one, assuming the mini strainer is the one you're going to remove before. So I already put some. You can see. For the demonstration, okay, this one has the oak chips in here, and then I'm going to fill up the other one with American oak chips. Oh, it so happens that I want to use this one on the mini strainer. Put it on. And I so happen to want to use this one on the outer one, so I throw it in there. And then I'm gonna put the American oak chips on the Monster strainer, and then there's a bigger opening in here. There you go. The infusion, that's 200 grams, and then you have them both ready. Just complete the thing properly, and then you put your bunks, stoppers, you're ready to go. Infusion, then you have the other one on the inside, and you can drop this one on your Fermonster, and then you're good to go. Then you have two infusions, one on the big mouth and the other one on the small. And then you just make sure it's tight, airtight, and then just put the bung, and then you have two infusions, one inside, hard to see from here, but this is in here, and I'm going to show you that both are there. Now on the regular PET carboys, I also put some hop pellets, and we left them in here. This was clean water. I just want to see how much solids escaped the strainer. And once you're done with that one, I put a lot of it. You can squish it with the paddle, the small paddle from our plastic spoons or paddles, and then you can start squishing on the inside. And as you go out, you continue squishing them, or if you prefer with your hand, you can, but I think it's going to be messy with your hand. I think the best way is with the paddles, and then you squish it, and unless you exercise a lot of pressure on it, but because it's a small paddle, it goes to the end, and then you can squish as much as possible. Other option, if you have a small stopper and 8, you can put the stopper, the stopper inside, and then squish with the stopper and the paddle. When it's time to, when you finish with your hop pellets, and you want to, of course, extract as much as possible, as you can use our filter screen that comes with our funnels. That fits in here, and it fits perfectly. I'm gonna start squishing them. One option is you put the strainer in there, and either with your hand you push it, or with our paddles you can start pushing it to squish as much as possible. And once you're done squishing your hop pellets, you can remove the strainer. That should be it. As you can see, most of it is in here. No big mess on the Fermonster. It was clean water because I just want to demonstrate how much it leached from here.